have learned that DOM provides us with different nodes, and we know how to navigate through those nodes. So today we will be having a thorough discussion and implementation of the node list, and for that HTML DOM provides us an object. Well, hello and welcome back. As I said earlier, JavaScript HTML DOM provides us with an object which is called NodeList Object. So let us see what exactly that object is. But before going into the detail, let us quickly see the agenda of this video. In today's lecture, we will learn about NodeList objects. We will see an example of how to use the object, and we will find the length of the list as well. Then some differences and similarities between HTML element collection and NodeList. And at the end, there is an assignment for you all. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. A NodeList object is a list or collection of nodes extracted from a document. A NodeList object is almost the same as an HTML collection object. Now, some browsers, they may return a NodeList object instead of an HTML collection for methods like getElementsByClassName. All browsers, they return a NodeList object for the property child nodes. Most browsers, they return a NodeList object for the method querySelectorAll. So let us see an example which selects all p nodes in a document, as well as we will use the length property. In this example, there are 3 p elements, so it is obvious that the length property will return 3. We are storing the list of p nodes for all the p elements in the variable myNodeList with the help of querySelectorAll method. We are displaying the content of the p element having index myNodeList1. It starts from 0, so 1 would be hello Norway. Now let us save the file and check the output on the browser. Great, all the p elements have been displayed, but our point is to get the myNodeList1 at the last line. And here it is. The inner HTML of the second paragraph is hello Norway, and the length is 3. And as I said earlier, it is similar to the collection of HTML objects which we learned in the previous lectures. Now, there has to be some difference, right? Otherwise, there would be no point in using this object. Yes, there is some difference. Let us see the difference and some similarities. An HTML collection is a collection of HTML elements. A node list is a collection of document nodes. Both an HTML collection object and a node list object is an array-like list or collection of objects. Now, both have a length property defining the number of items in the list or collection. Both provide an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on to access each item like an array. HTML collection items can be accessed by their name, ID, or index number. Node list items can only be accessed by their index number. Only the node list object can contain attribute nodes and text nodes. Now, an important thing is a node list may look like an array, but it is not. You can loop through the node list and refer to its nodes like an array. However, you cannot use array methods like value of, push, pop, or join on a node list. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this lecture. And also, there is a small assignment for you all. Create some H2 elements and find out the length. Use NodeList object. So I will meet you all very soon in the next lecture. Till then, stay connected and please stay safe. Bye.